Okay, this is a video just showing using the Oreck orbiter on a regular staircase. By request, I had a few new carpet cleaners want to know how the Oreck does the stairs. You just want to pre-spray like you would pre-spray carpets. And then from the top, I go work my way down. And I'm using a zinger pad, which is a white microfiber with red scrubbing strips. They are available at the end cap store. And I am using the Challenger pad driver simply because it has a Velcro bottom. And on stairs, you definitely want to use something with Velcro. Otherwise, the pad will tuck under or pop right off. And you can see I like to kind of just go methodically along. We did pre-vacuum. And I'll be showing the rest of this house in the video later today, so you'll be able to see what we did. This one, I didn't show the furniture, but we did 11 pieces of upholstery today. And I think we only did the 2 rooms and a hallway and the staircase, but pretty good job for the day. Took us most of the day on all the upholstery. So anyway, you could see just go back and forth. Anywhere you see dark areas, obviously I spray a little heavier on the center of the stairs. So it's going to appear a little darker because it's damp. And as it dries, it'll lighten up like the rest of it. But it needs more of that cleaning solution in that center area where everyone's feet are walking. And I am still testing the Pina Colada Super Polymer Encapsulation formula here. And it's doing a wonderful job. So there you go. When I get to the bottom, I will come back up and I will use the brush that I have, the triangle brush as I always refer to it, and I'll groom it, put some triangles in it. And I'll also brush, you can see I'm getting the surface of the stairs and the bullnose. And if there were any stains on the faceplate, I would have addressed that with my drill. But I do spray in there, and then what I'll do is when I go back to the top and I groom it with the brush, I turn the brush over and I groom the faceplate. And since it's an encapsulant solution, even if there was any soil or dirt on the faceplate, it will dry into a polymer and be vacuumed out on the next routine vacuuming. So there you go. Hope this helps a few of you guys that were asking how to do it with the Oreck orbiter. I'm sure you could search online and you'll see some other ways to doing it. I know some guys go backwards and they hold it on the lower region and just kind of use it like a polisher. But if able, I like to do it this way. It works great. Just follow myself down to the bottom and the stairs always turn out beautiful. And of course you want to groom them afterwards because you are walking on your work as you go down. So you want to go back up and kind of groom all the fibers neatly up or into triangles. All right. Thanks for joining me on this episode and stay tuned for the full video. See you soon.